Hi, namaste, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good day. दुनिया में बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं या ऐसी सिस्टम है जो हमें हमारे ग्रोथ के लिए, डेवलपमेंट के लिए सपोर्ट करते हैं। और हम उनसे वही एक्सेप्ट करते हैं कि दे मस्ट हेल्प मी। बैंकिंग सेक्टर, इंडस्ट्रियल फील्ड, एजुकेशनल सिस्टम, government, some institutions which are a work for the society. But we are not satisfied with, because behind of the population growth, supporting of the growth, that is called the elements, objects, material, which are the helpful to support, which are the helpful to our growth, that is not sufficient. Maximum, with the proper calculation, with proper counting of the government, if we'll think about this topic, only in India, and we will think about the world, more than 70% people which are living under the poverty. And there are once 30% people between means with the 30%, if we'll think about the 100% or 30% above the 100, so there is also 70% people which are living in middle class life, and then means only 10% behind the 30%, they are living proper life. Actually we are calculating with the population. Yeah, some countries are very powerful or rich, but there is population where too much lack. And like India, some African countries, China, there are some, not China, but that is that much. Many people, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Iraq, many countries which we can count with our we can't count with our finger, because of that is the too much. Is too much poverty and problems are available. We are unable to solve that, because we unable to solve our personal problem. So how we can solve others' problem? But nowadays we are thinking about the Indian nation, Indian government are going to doing very well for our country also, and other friend near neighbor countries also. But what happened to about our person who are living in India? Just if I think about the only Indian people, means the back mind, it has been developed with the employment by the British ruling, because they know how does the Indian education system will be break, and then our system will be apply in India, and how does the how will the Indian will work behind under of us. They have planned properly 16th century, and they rule on India. They break the relation of our who are the king was that time. They are with a little living little state, little areas, and they handling that particular area with their personal ruling, personal shasan, personal government. And what was the condition of the Indian system?